Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at the spinner backplate from a Cheetah / Traveler, 75 Traveler, so it's very similar in the front to the Cheetahs. As you can see, it's been marked right here, crack. Crack starts here, looks like a little mustache around this bolt hole, and then comes out and goes this way. That's one crack. There are three others that you really don't see. This one, and this one. But if we flip it over, we can actually see them. So there's crack number 1, crack number 2. Here's the big mustache one right here, working its way right out to the outside, and then there's the last one. So 4 cracks in one spinner bulkhead, and you can tell from looking at this plate that it's fairly new. This is not an original. This is one that, you know, Fletcher has sold. It's a 550-6010-501 bulkhead. It's been aged to temperature and everything and properly maintained and fairly new, except unfortunately it's broken and can't be reused. So this is why you have to pull your prop every year and take a good look at all these things. You never know what's going on behind hidden parts of the aircraft. So we hope you found this informative and useful. Thank you for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.